G'day, Keithy here. Thank you for joining me again. So we've just gone on a little trip, done a little bit of a drive up in the mountains here in the Cathu State Forest. Bit of fishing on the way, some excellent stuff, and a bit of fishing on the way home as well. So come and join us and we'll take you through what we've been up to. So we're up here in the Cathu State Forest on Mount McCarthy. We've pulled up at this little lookout here. Beautiful little walk. Definitely worth the time to stop and have a look around in the places like this. So if you're on any trip really, where you come up to ranges through national parks or state forests or anything like that, it's always good to pull up and take your time, cook a bit of lunch and have a look around, because it's not every day you get to come to places like this. And this is about halfway between nowhere either side, so it's quite a long way from anywhere. So when you go on a trip, it's really good to take these things in and enjoy views like that. It's a lovely little spot here where we are. It's not hard to get to, right on the river, and you can see there's some other people camped further down from us. We've got toilets and showers there, hot showers. Over the road from us is where they have their 4-wheel drive competitions up the hill there. Every site here has got a little fire pit in front of it, which is good. You have to get your own timber obviously, or you can purchase a bag from these guys. Right on the edge of the bush, a creek that runs all year round. Lovely little spot.